Okay, let's get right back into it. I think I got cut off right here, but if you look here, y is always 5 times bigger than x. So how would we write that as an equation if we needed to? Y equals 5x. Y is 5 times bigger than x. Let's take a look at another example. This is going to look similar to the last one, but it is going to be different. Let's take a look at graph 1. This does not go through the origin, does not go through 0. It would have to go through 0 to be a direct proportion. And we can kind of see here that when x is 2, y is 2. When x is 3, y is 5. And when x is 4, y is 8. So if we were to make a table of this, if we were able to make a table, I would say that this is x, this is y, and when x is 2, y is 2. Okay, so far so good. When x is 3, y is 5. We're already starting to see that it's not going up or down by the same factor. And last, x is 4, y is 8. You can see that even though it kind of looks like it's going up by the same amount here, it's going to kind of look like it's going up by the same amount, that if we were to write this as a table, this is going up, times 2. This would be like almost like a 1.5, and this would be 1. So this is not a direct proportion. The same thing goes here. This is not going up by the same amount. If we were to do the math on that, this is not going up by the same factor each time. That's not going to be proportional. This one is. It goes through the origin and it gives yourself a straight line, and it's not horizontal or vertical. So the question is, y is how many times bigger than x? Let's take a look. Well, when x is 1, look right here, that's about y is 1.5. When x is 2, y is 3. And then here, look at my cursor. When x is 4, look right here, the cursor. Let's go all the way up. When x is 4, y is 6. How do I figure out how many times bigger is y? I like to make the table. When x is 1, y is 1.5. When x is 2, y is 3. And let's just it doesn't have to go in order. I don't even have to put 3, or I don't have to go 1, 2, 3, because no matter what, the relationship will be the same between x and y. Look here. How do I find how many times bigger is y than x? Well, there's a pattern here. And if you ever want to figure out the pattern, you're going to take 1.5. You're going to take y divided by x, and it should give you the same amounts. Divide each of these, y divided by x, you're going to realize that each of these gives you 1.5. So y is 1.5 times bigger than x. You put a 1.5 there. And again, it's not on here, but if I did ask you guys to make the equation, you'd put what y is 1.5 times bigger than x. Okay.